Well, hello there and welcome to this wee video on angles and finding unknown letters in angle diagrams. So you can see here that we've got some x's, we've got a 3x, a 2x and an x. Now remember, in this case x stands for the same number, so we have an angle size here and this angle's twice what that one is, and this one is 3 times what this one is, alright? We don't really need to know all that inside out, but what we do need to know is how to actually find the size of x. So if we count up, we've got x here, so this is 1x, and then 2x, and then 3x. So if we add all of those up then, we know we've got 6x. Okay, so x plus 2x is 3x, plus another 3x is 6x. Okay, so what we've got to look at now is we've got to try and find out, well, what do these 6 x's add up to then? How many degrees do they add up to? Because we can see we've got degrees signs here, we've got little circles, degree signs. What do they all add up to? Well, we've got a straight line up here, and we should know that the number of degrees in a straight line is 180. 6x is 180 degrees. Okay, we maybe were able to spot that from noticing that the 3x gives us a right angle, so we could have done it that way too. But since we don't have this little square in the corner, we can't assume that that's going to be 90 degrees. Okay, so again, we've got 6x is 180 degrees. Okay, excuse that wee mistake there, pressed back a little bit too much I think. Okay, so that's where we were then, right? So x and 2x and 3x adds up to 6x, and that makes 180 degrees because it's a straight line. Okay, so I'm going through this super slow so that you can really get it, right? So we're just solving this as an equation then. We've got 6x is 180, so then x is equal to 180 divided by 6, and that then just gives us 30 degrees. And just keep that right like that. Okay, so that's how we do a question like that. So what you're looking for is you're looking to see what angle facts you can use to get your number, and then you're really just adding up your x's to see how many you've got, and then from there you've got an equation that you can just solve using your algebra skills that you already have. So this is quite simple from this stage down, but it's just actually getting to that stage that can be the slightly more difficult part. Okay, alright, I hope that was nice and clear for you. Okay, thank you.